Good morning, children. How are you? Hoping all of you are fine and safe. Dear students, in the previous class, we have done exercise 22b till question number 18. Now, today we will start from question number 20. Let us see this question. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC, sine B is equal to 0.8, BD is equal to 9 centimeter, and 10C is equal to 1. Find the length of AB, AD, AC and BC. So let us see. Here is triangle ABC. AD is perpendicular on BC. So in triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular on BC and BD is equal to 9 centimeter. It is given. So sine B is equal to, as we know that sine theta is equal to P by H. So in triangle sine B is equal to P by H, means AD by AB, that is given 0.8. So sine B is equal to AD by AB, which is equal to 8 by 10. By removing this decimal we will get it 8 by 10. Let us simplify this number. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So AD by AB is equal to 4 by 5. It means AD is 4 and BD is 5. This is our first equation. Now in second sentence, it is written in the question that 10C is equal to A1. As we know, tan theta is equal to P by B. So 10C, according to this angle, this will be perpendicular, this will be base. Means AD by CD is equal to 1 by 1. It means AD is 1 and CD is also 1. In triangle ABD, this is our second equation. It means AD and CD are equal. We will write down AD is equal to CD. Now in triangle ABD, in this triangle, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square by Pythagoras theorem. So AB, we got it here, AB is 5, 5 square plus AD, we will write down their value, AD is 4, so 4 is whole square plus BD square. So 25 is equal to 16 plus BD square. So BD square is equal to 25 minus 16. So BD square is equal to 9. So BD is equal to root over 9. Therefore BD is equal to 3. Now we will write down like this. If BD is 3, then AB is 5. If BD is 1, then AB will be 5 by 3. And if BD is 9, it is given in the question that BD is equal to 9 centimeter. It is already given in the question. BD is equal to 9 centimeter. So if BD is 9 centimeter, then AB will be 5 by 3 into 9, that is 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. So AB is equal to 15 centimeter. Similarly, if BD is 3, then AD is equal to 4. So if BD is 1, then AD will be 4 by 3. If BD is 9, then AB will be 4 by 3 into 9. So 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12 centimeter. It means AD will be 12 centimeter. Now, by equation 2, we have seen that DC or CD is equal to AD. It is given. We have proved. So here we got it, AD is equal to 12. It means if AD is 12, then DC will also be 12. That is also equal to AD. So DC is equal to 12. Now in triangle ADC, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. So AC square is equal to, what is the value of AD? 12 whole square plus DC is also 12, so it is also 12 whole square. So AC square is equal to 144 plus 144. So AC square is equal to 288. So AC is equal to root over 288. So AC is equal to, we can write down 288 like this, 2 into 144 root over. So AC is equal to, here square root of 144 will be 12 and 12 is root 2 centimeter. This is the value of AC. Hence we can say that AB is equal to 15 centimeter, AD is equal to 12 centimeter, DC is equal to 12 centimeter and AC is equal to 12 root 2 centimeter. This will be our answer. Now we will see the next question number 22. If sine A is equal to cos A, find the value of 2 tan square A minus 2 sec square A plus 5. So let us draw one figure ABC. Here it is given sine A is equal to sine B. It means sine A is equal to P by H, means sine A according to this angle, P by H means BC by AB. Cos A means B by H, means AC by AB. So we'll write down sine, according to question, sine A is equal to cos A means BC by AB is equal to AC by. So here it is given sine A is equal to cos A, it is given. So BC by sine A is equal to BC by AB is equal to AC by AB. AB both are equal, therefore BC is equal to AC. It is proved. Now 10A is equal to P by, as we know, P by B, that is P by B means AC by BC by AC, which is equal to, so 10A is equal to, as we know, P by B, that is equal to BC by AC. Now sec A is equal to what? Sec is a reciprocal of cos theta, so it will be H by B, means AB by AC. Now according to question, it is given 2 10 square A minus 2 sec square A plus 5. Let us put it their value. 2 into, what is the value of 10? 10 is BC by AC. So BC upon AC whole square minus 2. What is the value of sec AB by AC whole square plus 5. Now we'll write down 2 AC by AC. Why? Because AC is equal to BC. We already proved it here. So we can write down in place of BC AC by AC whole square minus 2. In place of AB we can write down AB square is equal to whole square, AB whole square is equal to BC square plus AC square. So in place of AB square we will write down BC square plus AC square upon AC square, because it is whole square, no, plus 5. So this AC will cancel out. 2 minus, here it is 2, and this side BC square upon AC square plus AC square upon AC square. AC will cancel out. Now we will write down plus 5. So 2 minus 2 into, in place of BC we can write down AC. So AC square upon AC square plus AC will cancel out. So here 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 plus 5. So 2 minus 2 into 2 plus 5. So 2 minus 2 2s are 4 plus 5. So 5 plus 4 it will 5 plus 2 it will be 7 minus 4, that is equal to 3. 3 will be our answer. Now we will see next question number 25. If sine A is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos B is equal to root 3 by 2, find the value of 10A minus 10B upon 1 plus 10A into 10B. Let us see. Given sine A is equal to what? As we know, P by H, it means BC by AB. That is equal to, it is given root 3 by 2. It means BC is equal to what? BC is equal to root 3 and AB is equal to 2. So AC square is equal to AB square minus BC square. So AC square is equal to, what is the value of AB? It is root 3. Sorry, what is the value of AB? It is 2. So 2 whole square minus the value of BC is root 3 whole square. So AC square is equal to 4 minus 3. So AC is equal to 4 minus 3, it will be 1. And we will transpose this square to the right hand side, it will become square root. So AC is equal to 1. Now 10A, let us draw one triangle ABC. Now 10A, according to this angle only, 10A is equal to P by B. It means sine A by cos A. It means sine upon cos is equal to 10. So what is the value of sine A? Root 3 by 2. And cos A means B by H means 1 by 2. Now let us simplify this. Root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. 2 will cancel out. Root 3 by 1, which is equal to root 3. 10A is equal to root 3. Similarly, given cos B is equal to root 3 by 2. So according to this angle, we will draw another triangle. According to this angle, cos B means B by H means 1 BC by AB. Here cos B is equal to, students, here it is given cos B is equal to root 3 by 2. So what is cos B? B by H means BC by AB. So BC by AB, that is equal to root 3 by 2. It means BC is equal to root 3 and AB is equal to 2. So let us write down BC is equal to root 3 and AB is equal to 2. So AC square is equal to, let us find out the value of AC. AC square is equal to AB square minus AC square. So AC square is equal to, what is the value of AB? That is 2 whole square minus AC is root 3 whole square. So AC square is equal to 4 minus 3. So AC square is equal to 1. So AC is equal to root over 1, which is equal to 1. Now 10B is equal to sin B upon cos B. What is the value of sin B? P by H means, according to this angle, it will be perpendicular. So AC by AB means 1 by 2 and cos B is equal to B by H means root 3 by 2. Now 1 by 2 into, it will be reciprocal, 2 by root 3. 2 will cancel out, 1 by root 3. Now let us, according to this question, 10a minus 10b upon 1 plus 10a into 10b. Let us put it their value, root 3. 10a is equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 upon 1 plus root 3 into 1 by root 3. So we will take it root 3 as a LCM. So root 3 into root 3, it will be 3 minus 1 upon root 3 will cancel out, 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 root 3 upon 2, which is equal to 2 root 3. Now it will be reciprocal into 1 by 2. 2 will cancel out, 1 by root 3 will be our answer. Now we will see next question number 28. If 5 cos theta equals to 3, evaluate cosec theta minus cot theta upon cosec theta plus cot theta. Now we will draw one diagram ABC. Here C is equal to 90 degree. It is given 5 cos theta is equal to 3. So cos theta is equal to 3 by 5. It means cos theta. Let us assume that this is theta. This angle will be considered as theta. So cos theta is equal to, it is given 3 by 5, means B by H, means AC by AB. AC is equal to 3 and AB is equal to 5. So what is the value of BC? Let us find out. BC square is equal to, which is equal to, we will write down here AC upon AB. So AC is 3 and AB will be 5. Now BC square is equal to AB square minus AC square. So BC square is equal to AB, its value is 5 whole square, minus AC is 3, so 3 whole square. So BC square is equal to 25 minus 9, so BC square is equal to 16. So BC is equal to root over 16, so BC is equal to 4. Now according to question, let us put it its value. Cosec theta. Cosec theta means H by P, means 5 by 4. 5 by 4 minus cot theta. Cot theta means B by P, means 3 by 4 upon cosec theta. This is theta. Cosec theta. Cosec theta means again cosec theta means H by P. H by P means 5 by 4 plus cot theta means B by P, 3 by 4. Now we will take it LCM here, 4 and 5 minus 3 upon, again we will take it LCM, 4, 5 plus 3. So 5 minus 3, it will be 2 by 4 and 8 by 4. Let us simplify. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4 and 4 2 is 8. 1 by 2 upon 2 by 1. Now by reciprocating this number, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 1 is 1, 2 2 is 4, 1 by 4 will be our answer. So dear students, today this much only. We'll see next in the next class. Thank you and take care.